Yeah, I need to do my makeup when I get back to the room. But hey friends, it's Evilise J, IVELISSE, and I'm back with another freaking video. Now before we do anything, before we go any further, before you start actually watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you at it, you could just go watch my other videos. This is the first time I really get to come talk to you guys. As y'all can see in my intro, I was like packing, I was like, you know, like on a trip somewhere. But like I said, this is the first time that I actually get to like sit down and talk to you guys. I'm actually at the beach. I know it's like, it's April, like what are you doing at the beach? But I'm actually at the beach for a couple days. Let me put on my glasses because I was gonna do like a separate like pack with me, and then I was gonna do like the actual trip like I did for my New York trip. But I was like, I literally just did that. I came back from New York probably like 2 weeks ago. But yeah, y'all, so we decided to come for a couple days. It's literally like a couple days, like really like 3 days or whatever. That's why I didn't pack much. That's why I didn't pack a suitcase or anything like that, because y'all know I be overpacking. I went to Dunkin' Donuts to get a coffee. Usually y'all know I make my coffees at home, but I'm not home. But let me just put y'all on because this is really good. This is an iced caramel latte with almond milk and extra caramel. So let me just like recap what we did already. It wasn't much. Like yesterday we probably left at like 6 o'clock, got to the beach at like 7-8 o'clock. We was just like eating pizza, playing Uno, stuff like that. I didn't really record much because there wasn't really much to record. But today we're supposed to be like going to the boardwalk, and then we're supposed to be going bowling, then out to eat and stuff like that. I don't want to actually like vlog and actually like be stuck on the camera, because y'all know like I enjoy my time with my family, and I feel like constantly worrying about getting angles, constantly worrying about stuff like that, I feel like it just takes away. So like I said, I'm not really gonna be vlogging much. It's gonna be more or less like my New York trip. Like it's just gonna be certain parts and I'm just gonna put it together so y'all can see what my trip was. All right, y'all, so right now we're about to walk on the boardwalk and stuff like that, so I'm just gonna put clips of that in. I'm scared to like wet my hair. That's why it's looking kind of dry right now, because I don't know what's gonna happen to it when I wet it. I know it's like a water wave type of hair, but like I said, I don't know, I don't want to. So yeah, I'm trying so hard not to show my toes. Y'all, we're about to rent a bike and ride bike on the beach. So y'all, this is really be funny. Oh, look, we passing them. I know, we all out of breath.
This is crazy.
They fighting back there.
Ma, calm down.
They all fighting back there. She said, I'm out of here. Whoa, I must go.
No.
They left her. Oh my gosh.
They said it would be fun.
I know. A whole hour. Blue said we can't get 10 minutes. Oh, we must have followed the bus. Come on, y'all. We going so fast. Are we stuck?
We gotta wait right here, right quick. Wait right here.
I'm taking a video, so shut up. Y'all, they letting me steer.
Let's go. No. Oh, I forgot I'm not steering on here. Let's go. This is why you didn't get the way. How y'all doing back there?
Who's not pedaling on my side?
Jerry,
I am pedaling.
I see you.
Because I'm in charge.
Nana, where you going?
You see, it's just this part though that's like mad red.
Right, it's
Like a triangle. All right, y'all, so we're about to go bowling right now, and then after that we're gonna go get something to eat. So I'm just gonna put clips of that in here. it. I'm ashy. All right, y'all. So we're about to go home today. So that's about it. I don't know what else we're doing, but if we do anything else, I'm gonna just record and just put it in. All right, y'all, so I just wanted to come and end the video off, right? Because usually I be forgetting to do the end and it just like cuts off and be like, thanks for watching and stuff like that. But I just wanted to, like I said, end it off, right? A couple things we weren't able to do because of COVID. Like, for example, we were supposed to go to the aquarium, but they was doing that by tickets and stuff like that. And the tickets was sold out for today and we had planned on leaving today, so we couldn't do that. So yeah, we just got home. I haven't been posting on my YouTube. I think my last video was posted probably like 3 days ago, 4 days ago, something like that. Y'all know I've been getting better and I've been posting more frequently. I just need to get back into posting again. My hair look bad right now, but I'm gonna fix it. But I just want to make a video to show me fixing it. My hair could get wet, but yesterday it got like wet and frizzy because obviously there was no products in it. So yeah, I'm gonna post that video sometime this week. Also, the day that we left, I got a Shein package. Let me show y'all. All of these videos is probably gonna get posted by the end of this week. I'm just excited to get back to posting. Y'all heard my ankle crack? So yeah, I'm just excited to get back to posting, to get back to, you know, like editing, filming and stuff like that. So if you want to see more videos like this or whatever I have coming up on my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on that post notification so you know every time I post.